Hi, this is Dr. Wolf of Wolf Allergy and Asthma in Detroit, and I have a shot patient coming in, and she's coming in a little earlier than she usually does, so I have to get her documents together. So, of course, I get out the questionnaire, the questions I always ask when patients come in. Okay, so I have that out. Then I have the sheet where I log in the amount that I'm putting in her arm, which she's on maintenance, so it's 0.5 cc's, and then which arm I'm going to use. So I have a log sheet for that. I put that on I keep all of that information in a binder, and I have dividers for every single patient. Oops. So I'm just gonna get out her materials, which is the syringe, alcohol pad so I can clean, a Band-Aid just in case. But anyway, that's not what I came to talk to you about. So what I came to talk to you about is nosebleeds. I have people who are using nasal sprays and they get nosebleeds. And that's completely normal. A couple different ways you can address that. Number one, you can make sure you're not pointing the nozzle straight up your nose, because that can cause nosebleeds. You don't want to point it towards the septum, the middle, because that can cause nosebleeds. So number one, positioning. Number two, you can moisten your nose. And how do you do that? Well, number one, a nasal saline spray. Okay, nasal saline sprays can help moisten the nose. You want to use that kind of for 5 days or so to get your nose moist. I also recommend for some people to use the nasal spray first. I'm sorry, the saline spray first, and then use your prescribed or over-the-counter nasal spray. Okay. Third, a humidifier. Okay, so you can keep moisture in the air. Now, if you're someone with dust mite allergies, no, you can't have a humidifier, because humidifiers make the perfect environment for dust mites. You can also use a nasal lubricant. One common one is called Polaris. It's actually what's in the kits that NASA uses for astronauts, and it's a lubricant. I do not recommend Vaseline, but there are lubricants out there. Polaris, Ponaris, is another one. So anyway, those are tips if you are having nosebleeds. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know below at Wolf Allergy and Asthma. Bye.